Hello viewers, my name is Deepti Mukherjee and today I am going to tell about grey code. Grey code is used for error correction in communication level, and it is also called as reflected binary code. And today I am going to tell you about this number, how to convert binary to grey code and grey code to binary. To perform this conversion, we have a brief conception about XOR method. We know that when similar bits are operated in XOR operation, then it will be 0, and when different bits are operated in XOR operation, then it will be 1. For example, 1 XOR 1 is equal to 0, 0 XOR 0 is equal to 0. But when we compute like this, 1 XOR 0 is equal to 1 and 0 XOR 1 is equal to 1. So here we have to compute in XOR operation from binary to grey and grey to binary, and there is a simple difference to conversion like binary to grey. In binary to grey, first of all we write down the most significant bit, that is from left to right. For example, the binary code is 1 1 0 0 1 0. First of all we write down 1 for grey code. At first we write down 1, and then 1 XOR 1 is equal to 0, 1 XOR 0, that is 1 1 0 1, 0 plus XOR 0, that is 0, 1 0 1 0, and 0 plus 1, 0 XOR 1, that is 1, then 1 0 1 0 1, and 1 XOR 0, that is 1. Then grey code becomes 1 0 1 0 1 1. Now we have to calculate, convert grey code into binary code. In binary to grey code, we have to operate binary numbers as from left to right, and we use second and third and fourth and fifth in this way, and sixth. But when we convert grey code to binary, then we have changed the rule, very minimize, that is we have to write down first term as the grey code was in grey to binary. Grey code, for example, grey code is 1 0 1 0 1 1, and we have to find out the binary 1 0 1 0 1 1. First term is 1, and now binary code is 1, and second grey code is 0. Then 1 XOR 0, that is like this, 1 0 is equal to 1. So second term of binary code is 1. Now third term of gray code is 1. And second term of binary and third term of gray and XOR operation, that is 1 1 is equal to 0. Third term of binary and fourth term of gray. Third term of binary is 0 and fourth term of gray code is 0. So XOR operation, that is 0. Then we get 1 1 0 0. And now binary fourth term of binary code is 0 and fifth term of gray code is 1. So 0 XOR 1 is equal to 1. Now fifth term of binary code, fifth bit of binary code and sixth bit of gray code, 1 1, that is 0. So from gray code to binary, gray code was 1 0 1 0 1 1 and binary code becomes 1 1 0 0 1 0. That's all.